For over 160 years, Pfizer globally has been researching, discovering and offering high quality, safe and effective medicines to aid doctors and patients in the fight against life-threatening and life-debilitating diseases. With the introduction of Pfizer generic medicines or brand value offerings backed by Pfizer's global quality standards, we are helping to make affordable quality medications and healthcare more accessible to more people in our country. These products once again are sourced from very leading, outstanding, quality-conscious companies.
If at all you want to develop in a vendor, a third-party auditor, that's like our Pfizer global auditor from US, visits that vendor somewhere in Vapi or somewhere in Andhra Pradesh, and they go to that vendor and he do a third-party audit independent of our involvement into that.
We even take care that all the employees that our contract manufacturers are very well trained to conduct all the jobs which are required for our products.
The Indian contract manufacturers now are an enlightened lot. You know that the Indian pharmaceutical industry has grown tremendously and there is enormous amount of talent in pharmaceuticals available in the country. So many of these contract manufacturers are US FDA approved facilities. What we impart to them is our global learnings. We find that when we do the tech transfers, they are able to come up to speed, they are able to comply with all our standards, and when we manufacture a product, whether we manufacture a product here or anywhere else, the guarantee of quality remains the same. PQS or Pfizer Quality Standards. These standards truly are our competitive edge. A whole gamut of things that are done revolve around these PQSs, which are really the best standards which have been compiled over a long period of time by Pfizer, and Pfizer expects all its locations to comply with these high standards.
There are 6 basic FDA quality systems: facilities and equipment system, quality systems, material systems, production systems, packaging and labeling system, and laboratory systems. Pfizer has made Pfizer quality system standards all around these 6 quality system elements.
Suppose you take material systems. The material systems is one of the most important and most neglected system worldwide. All companies take care of the material and they build quality into the product. But most often people forget that the material from where we have procured is most important as putting quality into it.
Quality cannot be tested at one point of time to the product. It has to be built in at every stage of the product. So we here ensure that quality is there at the development stage right into the shelf life of the product.
Quality doesn't start from me as a quality leader in Pfizer. The quality starts from each and every person who is manufacturing, dispensing, analyzing, compressing, packing, dispatching and carrying the Pfizer product.
Training is not just about enforcing quality, it is encouraging quality. And Pfizer is successful, one of the reasons is the people behind the organization. Trained people, dedicated people, they own the Pfizer. Everybody says it is mine.
Things keep changing every day. We are improving on our existing processes. We are being innovative. We are being rewarded for all the innovation that we do. We have certain projects like the Yellow Belt project, the Green Belt, Black Belt projects, which gives us a recognition if we improve on the existing processes and our products.
In fact, the facility in Goa very recently won the Economic Times and Frost & Sullivan Award as a gold standard in quality and manufacturing processes. The plant also received 2 outstanding innovation awards of Pfizer in the first quarter and the second quarter of the year 2010.
We know that we are into ethical business and our products go to a suffering world, which should bring comfort to the suffering patients.
Pfizer has embarked on a major initiative on sustainable environment. The sustainable environment basically covers encouraging what is known as green chemistry. So what is green chemistry? When you avoid solvents or alcohol used in the manufacturing processes, you eliminate those footprints which are unhealthy to the environment. We use what is known as bagasse in our boilers at Thane facility, and you don't need to use oils and fuels to fire boilers which eventually produce energy which turns all the machines. The fact that Pfizer puts its brand name on the label or on the carton, it means that Pfizer is going to take the responsibility and commitment for that product. So all these initiatives are a beginning. This is not the end, it's a journey, and through this journey many more initiatives will be identified and worked upon to ensure that the environment in which we work is also well protected.
While we are celebrating 60 years of Pfizer in India, we have a bold vision to be more relevant to doctors. We have a vision to make difference to the millions of the lives of the patients. We are launching many products, and you can trust us on this launch. You can experience these products and you will see the Pfizer difference.